So before we start the lesson, I wanted to quickly show you something we make at home. Peanut butter. It's delicious, healthy and incredibly easy. We use 1.5 packets of peanuts, no additives, no preservatives, no hydrogenated oils, no added salt. And the total cost is about 320 yen, which is cheaper than most brand name peanut butter. All you do is put the peanuts into a food processor, switch it on and let it run. The whole process takes about 7 minutes, and this batch lasts us around 10 days, and we keep it in the refrigerator. I also make hummus at home. If you'd like to see that too, let me know. The reason I like making it myself is that some store-bought peanut butter contains partially hydrogenated oils, and it's usually more expensive anyway. But honestly, the best part is the satisfaction. I'm the designated peanut butter man in our family. Yoshiko is making a simple lunch before she goes to work. Nothing special, just the kind of meal Japanese people eat every day. First, she soaks some dried wakame in water, and as it softens, it expands and turns a deep green. Wakame is rich in minerals, especially iodine, which supports thyroid health. It also contains soluble fibre that helps the gut and supports healthy digestion. Next, she prepares tofu. Tofu is an excellent source of plant protein and calcium. It's easy to digest, low in saturated fats, and very gentle on the stomach. Perfect for a Japanese meal. The tofu goes gently into a saucepan with water and dashi. And then she cuts some karaage. She cuts some aburaage and adds to the saucepan. Fried tofu adds flavour and texture, but it also provides extra protein and healthy fats. It helps make the soup more satisfying without being heavy. Next, she measures out the miso paste, but she doesn't add it yet. Miso is a fermented food rich in beneficial bacteria, amino acids and minerals. Adding it later after the heat is lowered helps protect those beneficial compounds. So the wakame is ready to be to take out of the saucepan and add to the soup a little later. While the soup gently warms, Yoshiko prepares natto. She adds a teaspoon of sesame seeds. Natto is one of the most powerful traditional Japanese foods, rich in protein and vitamin K2 and enzymes. Sesame seeds add calcium and healthy fats. So there's everything put into the soup now. The tofu, the aburaage, the miso paste, and last but not least, the wakame. She gently cuts the wakame into pieces and adds that to the soup. Next, she adds oil to the fry pan, and just enough, and she's got to test the temperature of the oil with a few sprinkles of breadcrumbs. when it's ready, when it's a moderate heat really, she adds the sardine fillets, which have been had breadcrumbs and lemon zest added. She gently fries this for about 3 minutes on each side. Sardines are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, calcium and protein. They support brain health, heart health and strong bones. The lemon zest adds aroma and helps balance the richness of the fish. And look at that, it's a beautiful brownish colour. And last but not least, she chops up some cabbage into fine little shreds to add to the as a side dish for the fish. Cabbage is rich in vitamin C and fibre and supports gut health. It's light, crisp and refreshing, perfect alongside the fish. So it's a pretty good meal in my book. You made it.
I made lunch.
Yes, indeed. And
before I head to work.
Yes, let's try it out anyway. I'm going to have some furika. And do you want a bit of natto?
As well as natto.
Okay, well I'll have a bit of natto too. And there we are. And these pickles are called lakyo. It's like a shallot.
Shallots, yeah. But really nice. One of my favorite pickled.
This is umeboshi. And this fish is
sardine.
Iwashi.
And I crumbed it today.
So we actually had some yesterday.
Leftover.
So miso soup, rice, brown rice.
How is it? Okay?
Freshly cooked.
Just squeeze. You should say itadakimasu.
Well, I know what we forgot.
Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu.
You are so hungry.
So where did you get this iwashi? Was that Ion?
Ion supermarket.
Oh, that's the newest one. I see. Well, that was very good.
I crumbed in lemon zest and basil.
Very nice. I'll come again. So look, we are very grateful for you watching this video.
Thank you, always.
And we hope you'll try an ordinary Japanese lunch, nothing special. And
that's what we eat.
This is what we eat in a normal day.
That's right.
Okay, so thank you very much. See you next week.
Have a nice afternoon.
Okay, so you're going to work later on this afternoon.
Yes, I will.
So you work from 2 o'clock?
To 8:30.
2 till 8:30, so she's a busy lady.
I have a little bit break, but it's a long day today.
So that's why we can't have any fancy food sometimes. We just have ordinary
But
food.
this is good enough.
Oh, absolutely.
You know, to
Absolutely.
keep me going.
Yes, okay, so thank you very much. Bye.
Okay, thank you for now.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.